Hello everybody, this is Pete, just checking in with you midweek to see how everyone is doing. I've enjoyed reading your discussion posts. You brought some good insight on resumes, some items to include, some items you want to avoid, the pros and cons, things of that nature. So far what I've read has been very interesting, and you brought some different perspectives, which is the whole point of these discussions, so keep up the hard work on that. Couple notes on the discussion. When I respond to your posts, which I will do within a day after you post, I've also ended usually with a question. You've stated a bunch of information, and I want maybe clarification, elaborate on something. So I always end with a question. So as part of the discussion grade, make sure you're going back in and answering, responding to my question, and any other classmates' questions. You should do that as well, just to keep the conversation going. So those of you that are responding to classmates and telling them what you like about their posts, and if you're asking a question, that's awesome. That keeps the conversation going. But if I ask, make sure you do respond for sure. That is part of your grade. It does not have to be a dissertation when you respond, just a simple answer, just to show me that you are keeping that conversation going. Make sure you're checking back in at least 3 different days, responding to at least 3 different classmates, having a good initial post that answers all those first questions, and the discussion should be good to go. So nice job so far. Keep that up. I understand week 2's workload is pretty heavy. That is the way that course is set up. Good news is things like the resume and cover letter, as you move forward, future assignments are basically just improving upon those documents. So you've got the workload pretty much done for those 2 assignments. You're just going to have to tweak it based on my comments. So make sure you're going back in and checking my comments. In future weeks, the load will lessen up a little bit here. The 3 papers you have to do this week is where the workload comes from: the reflections, the career development plan, and the second career development plan. When doing those, just make sure you're reading those directions carefully. What I do, as I mentioned before, is just kind of copy and paste this information into my document. I answer each individual questions as I go to make sure each question is answered. And then I just erase the question and the directions, leaving the work that I have typed in, format it into a couple of different paragraphs, and usually I have a pretty good answer. All right. So especially for this first theorist reflection, it needs to be between 300 and 550 words. Again, 1 paragraph's not going to cut it. So just these are bare minimums, but you should be able to, if you answer all the questions and elaborate, be able to meet those minimums. This one here asks for 3 different paragraphs. So there's 3 different parts here: the education, networking, career-specific knowledge, and professionalism. There's questions within each of those groups. Those 3 sections should be divided into 3 paragraphs, 1 for each, answering each of the questions, and then basically this last part, talking about what you're going to do to be able to get those skills. It says right here, write a sentence or 2 that explains how you will gain the knowledge or skill in each of these. So that's how you end each of those 3 paragraphs. And then last but not least is your interpersonal skills. You've got an article to read to give you some background. Again, just copy and paste those questions. Put that in a Word document. After each question, put your answer in. Once you're done, erase the question and the direction part of it. And what's left is formatted, and you should have a good answer. If you need to add more to get your bare minimums, do so. And then turn those in. Okay? So if you have any questions, please make sure to email me early and often, and I'll get back to you as quick as possible, just so there's no frustration. Again, I understand the workload is a little bit heavy this first week, first full week. Get through this, and you should be good to go. So thanks for all your hard work. Appreciate it. Bye.